What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the next video in learning C++. My name is Dani and you guys are watching my channel CorioWood. Alright, so in this video we're gonna create a function with prototype, if you guys are aware, with parameters. If you guys are aware that previously we have in our previous video we have created a function without any parameters inside. There was no parameter inside. So in this video we're going to create a simple function which gonna call it greetings. Greetings. Alright, so this is our simple function. As I said to you guys put your parameter here, so you guys can pass a constant and you guys can put a const string and you guys say my message. Alright, so I'm going to explain to you guys now. We have a function, we name it greetings. We put a constant because we use a const. I think I explained to you guys, const is something that we can't change the value if once we declare it, and it's a string. You guys already know the data type string, and we just name it my message. You guys can name it anything else, my message, hello, or good morning, or anything else you guys want, as long as it suits you guys. And we're gonna see out my message and we end line our program, we finish our program. Alright, so now we have a function, a simple function greeting, and we have a parameter const string my message, and this function is going to output, and we don't have a anything return because we have a void here. Alright, so in our prototype we're gonna declare this function. We're gonna say void and we say greetings. Okay, in greeting we put a const and we put a string. Okay, so if you guys know now, I did not put my message, I just put a const string. You guys need to put the type. You don't have to put the name. It's not required. As long as you guys put the type, this is the main one. C++ already knows that the name is this one, because C++ after this is going to look for this function. So once it's encountered this function, it's going to invoke, and if you guys call this function here, it's going to invoke this function. So if you guys can put a greeting here, it means you're calling your functions. Alright, so now what we're gonna do is that we're gonna say, if you're gonna run this one, you guys gonna get error because my message don't have anything inside the my message. So say for example, if you're gonna run and I show you guys, we're gonna get error. See guys, C++ gonna get very mad because we don't have a value inside. Alright, so what we're gonna do is that we put a value, we put a string. You guys can put a value here as well, because you guys already provided the base, the skeleton here. You guys needs to put something, say string hi, and once you guys put a string hi, because you guys gonna put a C out, please type your message. Please type your message. Okay, and now and you guys can see the message, the user message, and with the C in, as you guys already aware, and you guys should be mastered by now, we're gonna get this hi. So we have a string hi which is inside the main, it's not inside the greeting, and we have C out, which the user is gonna be asking the user, please type your message, and we're gonna get this whatever the user is gonna put, and we're gonna hold the value inside this hi. And now we have a function greeting here. This greeting is this guy here, and that's a prototype. So what we're gonna do is that we're gonna pass this hi, which is in the main of prototype. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna see what our results gonna be. Okay, so we build a project, and you guys see we don't have any error, and once we're gonna run, please your type your message, and I'm gonna say hello, and the output is hello. If you guys look at here, the output is hello because we will put it here and we have passed here. But if you guys put it here, say your message is okay. So now we're gonna see, okay, type your message, and we're gonna say hello again, and you guys see here your message is hello. This message is coming from here, from this guy, the greeting. So this guy, we have parameters constant string my message, and this my message, and we outputting from here. But on top of this guy here, we put the rest from this guy here. So it's got a string hi, and we got a C out, type your message, and we, with the C in, we get the value from the user, whatever user is gonna put the message, hi, hello, whatever, and we're gonna greeting, and the greetings we're gonna pass this guy here to this function. So we can do this as I demonstrate to you guys. You guys can type anything else. So it says void greeting, and it's got a constant string my message. This constant string is very important. As you guys see here, we already passed it to here because but this is not important. If you guys look at here, my message is not important. My message only here because it's got a parameter here, and this parameter we passing it here because we need this parameter, and the message is, and it's going to show the message. But whatever here you guys look at here, this is only inside the C++, because we have a string, but a string, our string, and this one is hi, and my message, two different strings. And here we're getting the value from the user hi, and we're passing it here as a parameter inside this greeting, and we display our message. So that's how you guys do inside this C++. This is a very simple example, and in the future videos we're going to do again and again practice with the inbuilt functions. I forgot to you guys, inbuilt function is, the built function is like this one. Int main is inbuilt function, is already inbuilt inside the C++. In the future videos we're gonna go see the cmet, something called cmet, and you guys, if you got it's a library inside C++ with all cool square root, or you guys find out the square root, or you guys find out all the mathematical functions inside the C++. That's amazing. You guys can find anything. You guys can find square root or power of whatever mathematics you guys have in mind. You guys can do that with the C++ inbuilt function. So I'm going to show you guys inbuilt function. At the moment we are doing the user defined function. This is a user defined function because we are the user who we create as a programmers. We creating our own functions. This function is not inside the C++. This is our own functions. So if you guys want me to run again, I'm gonna run again. And if you guys want to say for example CorioWood, and you guys see here your message is CorioWood. So if you guys look at here, your message is CorioWood, and that's how this parameter works inside the C++. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. If you guys got any question or comment, leave in the comment box below. Otherwise I'll see you guys in the next video, and bye.